हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मृणालिनी एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप ये चेहरा पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। So in today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite lipsticks under 500. Actually 500 से भी सस्ती, under 400 अगर मैं कहूँगी तो, पर मैंने एक टैग रख रखा है lipsticks under 500. So I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite lipsticks under 500 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video now. So the very first lipstick is from Maybelline New York. Actually, most of the lipstick is from Maybelline. Maybelline is a super affordable brand when it comes to lipstick and everything. आपको minimum price में मिल जाएगी. These lipstick are just for 300 rupees. और मैं सभी लिपस्टिक्स का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँ, तो अगर आपको कोई शेड पसंद आया तो यू कैन एक्चुअली परचेज इट. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट शेड. लुक so pretty. The shade name is Divine Wine. Shade number is 695. This is the shade which I am applying right now. You can see it. The best part is ये हटती नहीं है एकदम से. I love this lipstick. This is the second purchase. I just love this lipstick. इसको आप हल्का सा शेड, अगर आप इतना डार्क नहीं लगाना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट थोड़ा सा और जस्ट रब इट इन योर लिप्स और आपको ब्यूटीफुल सा शेड मिल जाएगा, नेचुरल लुक टाइप. So the very next lipstick is from Nykaa. The name of the shade is Naughty Nude 11M. This is a perfect nude shade which you can wear or apply anywhere at any time. अगर आप कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं तो आप इसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको जॉब पे जाना है तो आप इसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको घर पे बैठे रहना है तो भी आप इसे अप्लाई करके रह सकते हैं. It's totally depends on you. So the price of this lipstick is given here. This is a very beautiful shade. It was given to me by my friends on my birthday. So I really love this shade. So time to see the swatch. So the third lipstick is again from Maybelline. So as I told you earlier, in this video you are going to see maximum lipsticks from Maybelline. This is not a sponsored video, but Maybelline, if you wanna sponsor me, you can. So this is the shade. The shade name is Touch of Spice. This is again a very pretty and beautiful color. Every lipstick has its own story. This lipstick is given to me by my mother on my birthday again. I love lipsticks, so many people gift me lipsticks on my birthday. This is a very beautiful shade. You can see it. The packaging is very nice. Time for the swatch. This is how the shade looks in natural light. So moving towards the next lipstick. This lipstick is one of my favorite lipsticks जो मैं daily use कर सकती हूँ कहीं पर भी. And that is from Faces Canada. The lipstick shade name is Subtle Mauve. I'm going to list the price over here. This is a very beautiful shade. ये आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही कम बची है. I'm going to repurchase this lipstick. I just love this lipstick. This was the first lipstick I think I purchased on my own. My very first purchase in very beautiful pretty color. I'm going to show you the swatch. Moving towards the next lipstick, which is again from Maybelline. Maybelline, paisa bhejo. The packaging of this lipstick is different from these lipsticks. मुझे नहीं पता, Maybelline ने सेम लिपस्टिक बनाई है बट द पैकेजिंग इज़ डिफरेंट. बाकी टेक्सचर और प्राइस इज एवरीथिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, बट द ओनली डिफरेंस यू सी इज़ इन दी पैकेजिंग. और यहाँ पे आपको Maybelline दिखाई देगा. इफ़ यू कैन सी, आई डोंट नो. दिस इज़ अगेन अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल न्यूड पिंक शेड. दिस वॉज अगेन गिवन टू मी बाय माई फ्रेंड. So half of the lipsticks are given to me on my birthdays or by my friends. So there are very few lipsticks which I have really purchased. Now it's time to see the swatch. Now time to apply the almond pink from Maybelline. So it's time to give the review. The staying power of all these lipsticks are super good, पर उसमें से भी जो बेस्ट है स्टेइंग पावर में वो है फेसेस कैनेडा सटल माउ. Another one is Divine Wine from Maybelline. I think these two lipsticks have the most staying power. If you want to purchase lipsticks under 500, these lipsticks are just perfect for you. They give you matte finishing. The staying power is also good. They don't dry out your lips. The colors are super pretty. Plus they are affordable. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm working really very hard to make these videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.